No. Alright, this is video number 2. Croton, Hudson, New York. Around 8:30. Severe thunderstorm is about to head our way, obviously. Hopefully it won't be too bad. As you can see, it hasn't stopped thundering, and there's just a lot of lightning. It's slightly raining right now.
You hear?
Some of my legs.
Oh,
I don't think I got that.
you zoomed out all the way.
Yes.
Oh.
Right over here, right over here.
Oh,
I just missed that one right above us.
the power box popping.
A little bit so. It seems like there's been a lot of strikes up here. You want me to face it up?
Over here.
You want me to face it upwards?
Yeah. Oh, it got really cool now.
Temperature's dropping, humidity's way up.
Oh.
Hopefully I just got that nice strike right there.
I don't think you did, 'cause it was right to the right of you.
No, it came.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I saw it. All the clouds are hiding. Oh, did you see that bat? It was like a strobe light.
That was crazy. This is August 10th, 2009.
Got dark really quick.
It's getting really dark.
Oh.
This storm possibly may have hail.
Oh. So much light.
I'll go to one more lightning strike.
Red right there.
It's kind of an ominous color over there. I don't know if you can see that. Dark gray.
Red, like a maroon.
Almost a maroon color.
We had dark brown, let's say. That's really...
It's just not a pretty color. That was really right. We are going to stop it soon. After the next strike I get.
We come next.
A lot of thunder too. Whoa, that was crazy.
You get that?
No.
Oh my god. I'm standing right here. Oh,
Where was that?
it was flash there. Yeah, I'll look straight up.
Oh, it's right in the middle, right here. It's all up in the clouds.
This is probably that's probably the beginning.
That's not a pretty color over there.
No. Ooh. Please tell me you got that.
I think I got that.